Alright everybody, I've created 3 new ringtones, and if you're a Final Fantasy fanatic, you'll recognize all of these. First off, Final Fantasy 6. Second, this is from Final Fantasy 1, the remake on the PSP, and the other one is Final Fantasy X-2 or X2. I'm going to use this one as my ringtone. It's awesome. As well, I created 2 more ringtones before that. This one is Metal Gear Solid 3 Debriefing. And the other one is Call Into the Night. And I don't think I've showed this one before. This one's They Don't Care About Us by Michael Jackson. I'm going to use this one as my main theme. Alright, see you later.